Should I make a will or not? The answer is yes and no both. I will answer the no part first. If you are not holding any property which holds any significant value, which will create any tension or any dispute among the children, then there is no need to make a will. And the answer of the yes part is that you should go and make a will. Firstly, because it will give a list of all the movable and immovable property which you are holding at the time of your death, and it's very necessary for the children to settle the matters, because sometimes the children are not aware of the properties which their parents are holding, and only from the letters and notices which are sent from the banks and the firms and the third parties, then only they get then they only get the knowledge of those movable and the immovable property detail. But sometimes it becomes very late and becomes a legal dispute, and they keep fighting for years and years and years. Then they will they will only have one thinking that, why my parent did not disclose about all these details. Okay, don't think that your will be only that it can create any fight among your children because of the way you distributed the property. But think that your will be like a some kind of a draft or a list which you will be holding, and giving to your children, so that they are aware of all the details that you're holding, all the movable and the immovable properties which were in your name. And then they can sit down amongst their legal hairs, and they can sort it out and get all the clearances and get all the thing as per law, and get the things in their name. So ultimately the purpose of the will is that, so that there is a smooth distribution and the smooth flow of movable and immovable towards your children and towards the next generation. So the will uncomplicate anything, and it will help your children to get the things settled. So my advice is that if you don't have any much properties, and you don't have anything which holds of significant value, don't go for the will. Okay, keep it as simple. And if you are holding any properties which are not disclosed among the children, then please go for the will, because ultimately it will help your children after your death. For more legal update, keep watching this channel, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.